I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with a 3-minute cattle market update for Friday, March the 18th. Brought to you in part by the American Simmental Association. Check out today's Simmental and discover the advantages of SimGenetics. Go to simmental.org. These fed cattle are surging and feeder cattle too, but the deferred contracts on the live cattle board are really lagging. And we just know that we're stepping out on a ledge here, and we're not sure how long it's going to be before we drop off. But something's got to give. Either the spot market's got to fade a bunch quickly to get down to them, or those out front contracts are going to have to come up a bunch. But there's a lot of disparity between the two. Live cattle futures on the April contract for Wednesday was up 82 cents. Thursday was down 40. To end the day Thursday at 141.15. That's for April, 141.15. June is 130.70. August is 124.82. So how we're going to get all the way down there in a short amount of time, you better hold on. Feeder cattle contracts from March. Wednesday was up 47. Thursday was down 72 cents. To end the day Thursday at 163.72. CME feeder cattle index has been rising at 161.52. Real-time index on Cattle Market Central has really been booming because the automated system does not flag cattle fancy or thin just because they're starting to get high like the regular market reports do. Real-time index is at 162.99. Fat cattle, no trade as of Thursday night there, but we're looking at where we're going to go, and we're going to get higher. So we're going to break into the 140s this week. There's a good chance to get 140. We'll see what happens. And dress could be 225 or maybe even better. But really good market coming our way. A lot of it has to do to the box beef. Box beef cutout values of choice gained nearly $11 for the week, and that's huge. And we were expecting it to come up, but not this fast and not this quick. But and in turn, your slaughter has been a lot heavier. Slaughter so far for the week, 442,000. That's 12,000 more than last week and 11,000 more than the same week a year ago. So we're working through some of these cattle. We've got some bigger numbers coming down the line as we get into the summer, but it's really going to be interesting to see how much market we can gain between now and then. El Reno, Oklahoma, feeder cattle cash market, 8,650 head there on Wednesday. Feeders $2 to $4 higher. Most of the advance on those cattle weighing over 850 because they want to get them done as quick as they can and try to hold on to as much market position as they can before we lose it. Huss Platte Valley Auction, Kearney, Nebraska, 3 to 10 higher. St. Joe Stockyard, St. Joe, Missouri had spots of $12 higher. Look at a quote there out of St. Joe Stockyards on Cattle Market Central. They had a load of 674-pound steers Wednesday at 12:30 just after noon there, bring 197.50, and that is not a typo or a mistake. That's 3 minutes. We'll talk to you next week.